Greetings, YouTubians! You know what I love about being a cartoon character is that we can survive anything. We get hit with hammers, squashed with anvils, we even dig our hands into unknown pockets that we apparently don't have to pull out already lit TNT sticks and survive them when they explode. Unfortunately, you guys don't seem to be able to get away with that in the live-action world, and when you attempt it, oh brother, do you guys complain about it. Of course, I'm talking about the infamous nuking the fridge scene from Indiana Jones 4. Why that scene caused so much problems, I have no idea. I'm a cartoon character, so to better understand why I'm going to defend it, I will show it to you in the form of animation.
Cut! We're gonna have to cut the scene. It's too unrealistic.
Everything I just went through, and this is where you draw the line?
It's way too dumb.
Well, how am I supposed to survive an atom bomb?
My Uncle Bert knew how to survive the bomb. Action.
What are you supposed to do when you see the flash? Jump and cover.
Oh, sure, that's realistic. See? Don't seem so bad by comparison now, does it? Tune in next time where we'll be talking about another nuke in the fridge topic. Until then, this is Waddle from Watch Waddle saying, thanks for watching.